Today, I'd like to teach you how to find the molar mass of BaBr2, otherwise known as barium bromide. So let's use this table to help us organize our thoughts. Bam! So the first thing is I'm going to write down the elements I see in the compound. So I have barium, Ba, and I have bromine, Br. Next is going to be to identify the number of atoms of each element in the compound. So that's where the subscripts come into play. At the bottom of barium, there is an invisible one. So that means that there's one atom of barium in barium bromide. And at the bottom of bromine, there is a 2. So there are 2 atoms of bromine. Next, we're going to take those number of atoms and multiply it by the mass of each particular element. Now, this is where the periodic table comes into play. This is where we find the masses. So let's take a look. These masses here at the bottom of barium, 137.33, and barium, 79.90, represent either gram per mole if you're finding molar mass, or AMU if you're finding molecular mass. All right, so let's write those values down. So for barium, we have a value of about 137.33. And then for bromine, we have a value of about 79.90. Then what we're going to do is we're going to simply take those values and multiply them together. So one atom of barium multiplied by the mass of barium gives us the total mass of barium in the compound, or in other words, 137.33 units of mass. Then, since I have 2 bromines, I'm going to take it and multiply by the mass of each bromine to find the total amount of bromine, which then works out to be about 159.8. And then to find the total mass of the compound, just add these 2 together. Right? Nice and simple. 200 and then 97.13. Since we're finding molar mass, the units here are in grams per mole. And that's it. Guys, now you know how to find molar mass of barium bromide. Thank you so much for tuning in. Check us out. We got a whole bunch of other videos out there. We got thousands of solved solutions, all different types of subjects. We'd love to help you out with more. Take care.